Good afternoon, my name is Jason with Legendary Automotive and Truck Service. Today we have a 2000 Corvette C5, manual 6-speed transmission in this one, and today it came in for a leaking throwout bearing slave cylinder assembly. Anytime we pull the transmission and torque tube assembly out of these cars, we make it a habit to remove the torque tube as a unit and remove the drive shaft from the torque tube, and we'll show you why. A lot of times this item gets missed. Inside this torque tube is the main drive shaft, and this drive shaft has two rubber couplers, also known as guibos or flexible drive shaft joints, and these joints will crack over time and fail inside this torque tube. You'll have to replace the drive shaft, the torque tube, and may cause other problems down the road. So anytime we pull one of these out to do a clutch or a slave cylinder or a pilot bearing, what have you, we will replace these rubber drive shaft couplers as a service as part of the clutch job.